how to remove or replace video background in CapCut PC. So if you want to remove or replace the video background in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your CapCut. Once you've opened, you need to go with Create Project, and then you can select the images or the videos. So for example, you just need to select two videos, one for the background and one for the image or the video that you want to replace it with. So go with Export, and then for example, I'll be choosing a video and then an image. Once you've selected, now you just want to simply drag that to the bottom of your screen and here. So you just need to simply select the video and drag that to your bottom. Once you've selected, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that remove BG option. Click on that, and then you need to go with remove background. So here you will have auto removal. You can simply click on auto removal, which will automatically remove the background. So here it has removed the background, right? So now what you need to do is you just need to simply adjust the image or the video on top of that. So once you've removed the background, now what you need to do is you just need to simply place the image or the video on the bottom of that video. Once you place that video on the bottom, or once you've placed that background on the bottom, then you can simply play the video, and that's it. You can see that you've removed or replaced your video background in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.